Welcome back. In our last episode, we spoke about the importance of light and water for my indoor plants. And Ben mentioned something about a spa day, so I brought my towel.
Get rid of it. Get rid of it.
Really?
Yes, you silly boy. Now, I was talking about a spa day, but I was referring to humidity.
Right.
So you may notice on some of your plants, they get a dry, crunchy edge.
Yep.
Yeah, that's a cry out for humidity.
But I hate the humidity. Yeah, they say it's not the heat that gets you, it's the humidity.
Well done, well done.
You like that?
I hate the humidity too, mate, but your plants absolutely love it. They're all from the tropics. They're not supposed to be indoors.
So they're not really going to enjoy an aircon in the summer or a heater in the winter.
That's actually a really good point. Air cons, heaters, fireplaces, they really dry out the air and your plants absolutely hate it. Ideally, they want the humidity to be somewhere between 40 and 60%. Some even like it up to 80%.
So I just have to move to the tropics.
You can if you want,
Okay.
but I can show you some tips and tricks to bring the tropics to your plants. Okay, so the first tip is super simple.
I love super simple.
You could even do this on
That's
our
good
own.
news.
So it's just clustering our plants. So by putting all our plants together just like this, bring that guy over.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
By clustering your plants like that, it increases humidity by creating its own little ecosystem.
It feels like we're kind of creating our own little ecosystem in here, mate. It's getting a bit hot.
Get over there, we'll stick to the plants. But you can see by doing this, you get your own little ecosystem, way more humidity, and it's kind of mimicking nature in a way, having plant next to plant, rather than having like one in the kitchen, one in the lounge room over there.
But I don't want to group them. I like the way it looks in my glorious living room.
Well, if you did little groups here, little groups there, it looks better, it's better for your plants. You just have to go and buy some more.
I'll probably stop killing them if I do that, hey?
It'll definitely help. Okay, secondly, if you really don't want to cluster your plants, we'll move these out. There is another very simple way we can create humidity for our plants. And once again, I think you'll be able to do it.
Is it simple?
It's super simple. See this little guy here?
I do.
It's a mister.
It is.
And it sprays a fine
Oh yeah, there it is. I was waiting for
It
it.
sprays a fine mist and it creates a little environment like the tropics where the plants are actually from.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, very simple.
There we go.
Yeah.
This is super simple. You spray like this and just go.
Yeah, yeah.
Your skin's a bit crunchy, mate, like these
Didn't
leaves.
see it coming either. Very,
Trying to
very
help you
clever
out.
boy. But yeah, you can see what it's doing. It's creating a nice wet leaf and the plants absolutely love it.
That's a handy tip.
It is. And it's actually pretty fun to do.
It is.
Okay, there is another way we can create humidity as well.
Okay.
It's super effective and even longer lasting than these two.
Right.
So if you move this guy across for me.
Yeah, I'm
It's-
listening.
A pebble tray.
Surely it's not exactly what it sounds like.
Exactly what it sounds like.
Oh my
mate.
God, it's a tray of pebbles. It was too.
It's a tray. We need to make sure it's waterproof. It's not going to leak out all over your floor. Not too deep, sort of about that deep there, about 2 to 3 centimeters.
Yep.
Fill it up with pebbles. And then what we do is
Start.
put our plant right on top like this. See how
Okay.
strong I was then?
That
Look at
was
that. Easy.
Wow.
And then we get a water can and we fill the pebble tray up. See that? Yeah, you do that. Have a go with that. You go. Grab it.
Stop pouring it.
Now, what that does is it creates a humid environment around the base of the plant. It wafts up onto the leaves. They absolutely love it. And it's far longer lasting than the other options too because it takes a little while for that water to evaporate.
So that's all I've got to do. There's no other little hidden tips and tricks.
If you just make sure you have some airflow, so open a window every now and then.
There it is.
That'll help a little bit more.
Okay.
But yeah,
It's still easy though.
it is easy. 3 ways to create humidity for your indoor plants.
All right, so its light is good and its water is good.
Yep.
And it's pretty much hanging out at a day spa. So now I've just got to load it up with fertilizer and we're good.
No, mate, you don't know. Looking after plants is not a race. And if you fertilize plants when they're sick or struggling, you can actually burn the roots and kill them even quicker.
Right, so no food.
Not no food. So what we can do is give it a diluted liquid feed once a month. And that'll get the new leaves coming through. And once the new leaves are coming through and it's looking healthy, then you can give it its proper food again.
Okay, so just a little baby snack to start.
A little baby snack to start. Perfect.
Okay, so our plant is living the life of luxury. We must be done.
Well, we've covered everything, right?
Alright.
But what if your leaves are sticky, got mold on them, or even little webs?
Pests.
Next time we go bug hunting.